1.7 miles. Turn left onto Carr Street.
Alrighty. Alright guys, headed into St. Louis. Don't know if you can see that or not. Got the arch going over there. Already been to St. Louis a few years ago. Got some cool shots of the arch, which I will show you right now. These were not Ricoh GR III shots, but nonetheless, thought they were very cool. That sky, by the way, that was not a fake sky. It was definitely a bright orange. So, but we are rolling into a very dull gray, overcast day here. St. Louis, Missouri, on a paid gig, so I thought I'd get downtown and do some street photography if possible. There was a St. Louis Cardinals baseball game.
At the next light, turn left.
But fortunately, it was a 12:30 game, so it's already over and everybody's already headed out of town. So as opposed to being a 7:30 start, which I would not be able to come into town because it's about 4 o'clock. So here we are, guys. I don't know what that is, Busch Stadium. So, all right, I'm going to find out where we can park, and we will be back with more here. Very excited. Finally got some new scenery to look at. So where are we going here? Oh, okay, I guess we're already pretty much where we're supposed to be. Okay, guys, so I'm going to hang this up and
use the second lane from left to turn left onto Carr Street, then continue onto Cole Street.
All right, so we'll find out. I'm just going to go over here in this empty lane and see if we got anybody walking around downtown. That'll be the first key, so I'll check back with you here momentarily. So I'm in downtown St. Louis still, and I'm trying to find people, and there are literally, well, I can't say literally because there's a few people there, but those are the folks looking for assistance or what have you. So I'm trying to see if there is an area here. I thought maybe since the game let out, there'd be a bunch of people milling about at the restaurants and whatnot, and there may be. I just may be in the wrong little section here. So trying to find the people here in St. Louis and see if we can come up with some good photos. And if not, at least I tried. So there we go, and there we have it. Let's see if we find some people. All right. I feel like I've got something in the corner of my eye. Let me check this. Hold on. Oh, it was just my finger. Okay. Okay, guys, we're getting started today. Beautiful St. Louis, a little cloudy, overcast, but we'll deal with it. And the audio is going to be a little weak here because I've got it on the bottom of the camera, trying to talk into it, so there won't be probably a lot of talking today. But as you can see, we're here in St. Louis. Just take a quick shot there, and we'll see what we get. It's after a baseball game, so I'm not sure if there's a lot of people out or not, but we're just going to walk and see what we come up with here and shoot everybody we can take a photo of. I'm at 1/500th of a second, f9. So again, we're going to max our ISO at 6400 just so we know what we got. Okay, and I don't know what we're going to get here, so again, we're just going to walk and see, and hopefully we get some people out. How about a picture, guys? Want a picture? You guys look like you're having a good time, so let's get a shot. Here we go. I'll take a couple of them here. Okay, a little closer. Here we go. Big cheese, big smile, like you guys are happy to be together. Great game today, right?
Yeah.
One more, just so we know we got it. And then if you want to text me, I'll text a photo back in a few days.
Yeah, man.
Right on.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Good to see people having a good time. Maybe this a little, there we go, maybe you can see this a little easier, guys. So what we got here is the GoPro is underneath the Ricoh GR III. This way, as I'm walking around, I'm basically just doing this, and so I'm not as noticeable. People do see it, they look out of curiosity, but I don't look like a police officer, stuff like that. So very happy with that. it pretty much die out here at night or evenings like this?
Sometimes depends on what the restaurant's doing.
I was trying to get here. I'm from out of town, do street photography and stuff. I was trying to get here like as the game was letting out, so there'd be a lot of people, but I kind of missed it. So
Yeah, you did.
awesome, awesome. Okay, all right, thanks, man. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. There we go. We're at 2 meter snap focus. F500, or excuse me, F9 1500. Of course, we're at Busch Stadium in St. Louis. Can't get much here. You know. Okay, so which side do we take here? Very cool. And off over here, this is where we meet. Pretty cool, pretty cool. People have no idea I'm taking their pictures. Let's go ahead, we got these old guys over here. Everybody's got their St. Louis Cardinals stuff on, so pretty cool. Here. Everybody eating. We're on 2 meter snap focus, by the way. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. Whoops, excuse me. I'm sorry. You look bored. Working hard, right? Alright guys, so we're going to wrap this one up. Do appreciate you checking things out. It's great to get out in a different city. I was a little apprehensive, a little nervous, but it almost felt easier. I don't know, it's weird because I'm used to Indianapolis. I fear nothing there, no one. But it was kind of neat to get out here. People very nice. Nobody with knives or guns drawn or anything like that. So I had a good time. And some people were, again, very nice, talked to me, and I got to take some photos and whatnot. So nice Midwestern charm. That's what you get in the flyover country. So again guys, that's going to do it for this one. Do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. Please subscribe, please like, and I know there's a little bell there you can hit. I've never done that, but whatever, do that. And okay, we'll see you on the next one guys. So long everybody.